Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how to create this amazing text effect in WordPress. I have used Editor Plus for styling. Now let's get started. I have a group with a background color. Now let's add the heading block inside this group. Then add heading text. Then go to settings and open typography and set the alignment to center. Change the font weight to ultra bold and font size change to 11 VW. Now it will look like this. Let's add 10 pixel letter spacing and text style change to italic. All good. Now let's select the group from list view. Go back to settings. Go to advanced. Now here we need to add a class name, so we can target this on CSS. Let's add text effect here. Now all done, publish the page. Go to dashboard. Go to editor plus settings. Click on advanced tab. Now paste the CSS code here. You can find this code in the video description. Now click on save button. Go to front end. Now it will look something like this. Now understand how to change the colors of this headline. Go to CSS. Here are the colors. Let's change the color number 2. Click on save. Go back to front end. Now color are changed. Hope you like the video. If you like it, then don't forget to subscribe Gutenberg Hub.